I call Gracey. I make sure if it takes so long to answer.
Please leave your...
Gracey is something else. Gracey, I call me back. You never see me, I call you. What you say, what? You never see me, I call you.
If me never see me, wouldn't answer back. I work me there, you think you're eyeglass?
But see, Gracey.
What?
One.
You see you fling up idiot soup and something and I call up my name. Stop bringing up my name.
Gracey, oh you there work and you watch
up
up?
my name. Stop bringing up my name. You get a notification anytime you do anything. Stop calling up my name with your idiot food.
My food are idiot, but when you grab it down on an idiot.
When you're hungry, you eat anything then, huh?
You know, me and my husband just in the kitchen and say, he can't be the tester for the food.
Who?
Me I tell Max a while ago saying he can't go be the tester for the food.
No, Max cannot do it. I told you that from day one, else I'm out.
So, and anyways, one man, after me cook my Caesar rice and post it, one man commenting in the comment section and say, tell Gracey if you go cook that. Me must tell you if you go cook that. Or if you can't cook that. I don't remember exactly what I'm saying. And me tell the man say he must go reach out to you and tell you himself. And me would have like him to tell you. So, me I tell you some cook a piece of Caesar rice yesterday because look how rice is in the fridge, you know, man. And so leftover callaloo.
Bring up your sardine rice pan. What in that hard to do with chickpeas and black peas?
You watch it?
Huh?
You watch it so you don't want to taste it?
I get a notification. I was at work. I leave my morning job, come to my evening job. So when I have a little free time, I look.
Full up.
See how you idiot. What is there? Tell them I don't call up me. What is there to cook in sardine, Caesar rice, with chickpeas and black peas?
Do you see, let me ask you a question. You ever cook on wood fire?
Me no country girl. Me a born Kingston, yeah.
You there? You there?
Me no wrap pot and carry donkey go a bush or hill or wherever you carry donkey.
Me carry donkey go for water. And me carry donkey.
You're born on a Victoria Jubilee, alright?
Well, I done them a born too.
But you sound like you're born there in some coal up a country bush there.
Yeah. The back of cow. I'm going to leave back of cow. So what happened to that? I'm used to me.
The amount of cut and things where you say you tie up and vote and they never carry vote but nowhere yet. Daddy carry a country one time to go live and coal run with them. Because we don't know nothing about coal run with them and my ball like I don't know what this is. And daddy have to take us from country because we don't used to doing something there.
You're afraid of cow?
You know what? Everything on this earth.
You know what I call a full of mouth, so. You know the amount of cow will run me down.
My grandmother used to sell a Spanish stone market.
Right.
And she chose we, right? We the Kingstonian picnic them and she have fair picnic them. And she chose we for the bush go pick up her load and she buy them. Me and my brother then go pick up the banana and the stuff and me come with one banana from my head. Me says, me don't know if the banana the cow wants. Or if the cow bad. Because me know all the man have all the cow and try rock the cow around the tree. All the man the cow draw away. When me don't run and balls. Jesus have mercy. So,
yeah, there.
You're a country girl, Mrs. Me not born there, so me a born Kingston.
Me a proud country bunkan.
I can't even catch coal fire.
Me a proud country bunkan. You know, say, one man come from my page, come tell me about say, we must go learn public speaking. If I ever twang for...
What is wrong with these people when them see people are be themselves?
Them possess or that they're sick, you know. So many things they put on social media where them pay attention to and go pray for peace on social media. Let me tell you something. Of course, imagine.
You would understand what we're definitely saying.
No, them want everybody to be the same on social media. But me now make him spoil me day. You know, me now want to learn to be public speaking. Me grew up in a bush. And me know to speak when me fi speak. Me a real patois woman. And nobody now stop me from speak patois. I don't care who it is, where it is. When me I speak, uno no know. Me speak English to white people. But me a straight patois. This is how me is.
Standard English when I'm at work and when me come
Yeah, me be professional when me supposed to be.
me staff them. Me no talk.
You want everybody for be the same, but cope
Like
on them.
sometimes I catch up myself and remember say me I deal with that a mixture. Cause me just a chick me patois.
Everybody on a lawyer, doctor, nurse, and chief.
We want all of the teeth to cross and all of the eyes for that. Tell them to leave me alone.
Exactly.
Not cross, nothing and that, nothing.
I tell them, say me I go sick Gracey upon them.
There's a time and place everything. We there, so we are talking and we come on.
Yeah, we are talking like a joke and thing, and them are going like them want to tell you what to do. Nobody can tell you what to do.
Them and them are trying to take it out.
Can I tell you?
Try to make to them life happy.
Me just like, you know, communicate with my people them, you know.
Yourself. Like, if me and you talk, we never, oh darling, you know what? I went for that and I went out.
Yeah, oh my God, I can't stand these people.
Them in the place of left look like big for me, and there's something there. I need that.
Yeah, straight. One look like the big hole. Straight. I know when to be professional, but see, you can't get me out of the bush, but you can't get the bush out of me. None of them dry me up, man. I just tell you, but I'm not pay them, man.
That can't dry you out.
No, sir.
It takes more than that to pull us.
A lot more too. You see when me accept Gracey, I have a few people in my life who love me dearly.
What?
And you see from them love me, goodbye.
Sometimes we go through the comment, them and I feel laugh and I say, Lord Jesus, before we just there and we just talk and do yourself and somebody enjoy it out there.
Exactly. So many people enjoy the contents. So many people inbox me and appreciate me. Gracey, if I ever tell her what just happened a while ago, me see somebody call me on my phone. I never realize say me sitting in the kitchen. I never realize. Max sit down and me I say, but me don't know the number. And me click on it is a video with one white man a show me in penis. No, the number coming like it a come from China. Me I watch Auntie Dana. Me watch Auntie Dana.
That we don't enjoy. We don't enjoy that. We enjoy
like man, this ghosted.
Pervert.
You know amount of them on my block from what they have on my phone.
That's a pervert, man.
Yo, sick mentality. You can imagine my husband. Me open up the video and my husband see that. Me said, Jesus Christ, them people are then sick in them brains.
Luckily the relationship for your not son, you know?
Yeah. I'm not. You can't imagine that.
Leave it alone.
Some people maybe would have feel like I don't know the number. You know what of them number they want me block off on my phone? I don't know where they come from. Yeah. Crazy, like a China number. It's about, let me tell you, it's about 15 digits. It's about 15 digits, some 288 something another from wherever.
Janet was in that, okay?
Crazy.
She was, see, she have it, she break it.
So Gracey, the next thing you know, 10 story now one. The people them ask me why you move from side of me.
Where am I? It's a little bit too noisy. I'm very hard.
You hear that?
That's why I'm
Stop telling lie, Gracey. That is not. Gracey, stop telling lie. I'm making people then believe you. Be honest. Let me tell. Which part should there over there, sir? Somebody up on the top floor above her.
It's like them are force me to get reports on the bed and I can't manage that.
I'm not hear what she said.
Like a piece of mind. When me there, when not home, I just want to relax. And, you know?
Right.
Sleeping is more sleeping. It's too noisy.
Guys wanna hear what she said? Why is she? No. Me I record it. You know me I record. Me actually I record. Yeah.
Always set me up.
Okay, so guys, but me say guys.
And true me love for chat.
Yeah. But guys, here she said, over which part there's somebody there above her with some kids and she can't have no peace, and that's the reason why. If me did have, space, me would have take her. Me and her run in the same house, we would have tired for see we. But she a go because
well, I'm only going like 7 to 5 minutes away.
I mean, which part she a go, me can't walk go there, just up the road there so. But which part she drive, she a go through maybe about 5 stoplight, them close on different road if she drive. Depends on what she drives still. At the stoplight, make it would have be about 6-7 minutes.
Yeah.
But I right up the so. And if I me can walk, I'm going to walk past her, which part she go live already. When me exercise one time, I walk past there. I come from Upper Mother Kelly, me walk past this so. And not far from me, it's very close. But if she need her peace, then that is her peace. Me I gonna miss her from right there so. But you know she have to do what she have to do. It's her health, and she have to take care of it. She have to get her rest because she work very hard. But Grace, me there, and me out for you drive out here now. Me I go do road. Me we catch up. We talk like from now.
Alright, and the cook-off coming up soon.
Yes, the cook-off, guys. Everybody are waiting for the cook-off.
Just give me some time.
Yeah, she a move.
I'm doing little moving, so as soon as I move and settle, yeah.
Yes, anytime she move and settle, maybe I go up there go cook. No, I not cook up there. I go cook at my yard. And
then you can't come on my yard, come cook.
Me know.
What's wrong with that?
Me know. I adjust in a people kitchen very easily too. You know, a cook is a cook, you know. A cook is a cook. Right. Cook is a cook. But me that tell the people them why your style, me, you know. I chew the callaloo, you know, the frozen callaloo where you're cooking.
You can't cook callaloo.
You know, see, and that thing I got say, Gracey.
You can't cook callaloo. Dana, I only for something you can't cook. Me not say you can't cook, you know, but I only for something the master, Dana. Come on.
Me I go want you write a list of what you think me can cook and me and you go cook.
You can't cook, man. You can't cook, yeah. Me just put it overall so you can't cook.
Yeah. No, sir. Gracey has style me.
You know say your husband love when you cook callaloo. You know that's a talk truth.
Yeah, there.
Dana,
no. Alright. Me I go tell you
yes or no? Dana, yes or no?
No, my husband love when you. Alright. My husband love when you cook the callaloo.
Okay.
But.
Gracey,
that's not the point. If me cook.
What is the point?
No, if me cook.
The point.
Gracey, or you cook the callaloo. That's how me used to cook callaloo. And Max stopped me from cook callaloo, so you know.
And you not enjoy it, so
yes, and Max stopped me from cook callaloo, so I saw me used to cook callaloo, same like how me cook cabbage. I saw me used to cook it. Him always talk about health. We not eat for health no more because we want to be healthy. Don't cook with no oil, don't cook with no butter, no this, no that. And you know when you don't cook with these things, your things don't get no flavor. Exactly. So it not eat. Him say him eat enough food for him health or him taste already. Yes, him want eat for health. And a Max cut me out of how me normally cook my stuff. So no out of there you say but me can't cook callaloo. No, he enjoyed that the one that for that the one time there, but if me go back go do it him I say, why you have to take up back this Gracey, me I go cook callaloo for you because you're very out of order.
You know why you cook callaloo for me? Stick to your nose so you can't cook. No callaloo for me.
You see, a Max me can't diss me, you know. Gracey, me can't cook anything. Me I go cook callaloo. And me I go cook. Gracey, me don't know what they are Jamaica where me can't cook. No food at Jamaica where me can't cook. No food where they in Jamaica history where me can't cook. Breadfruit, because you're not country girl. You know nothing about breadfruit, because you're not country girl.
I mean, if you roast breadfruit for the care of when you go down. I think they had you. Because I have to pay you.
No, sir. You don't hear that? Oh no, hear there? Gracey had done me. Me I go cook saltfish and callaloo. How me used to cook saltfish and callaloo at Jamaica. I make Gracey taste it. It's all because of Max why me change up my cooking and him I say about health. Babes, I have to cook for health. Babes, every time I cook, I have to stop by this, stop by condensed milk, I stop do this, I stop make jagger and stout with condensed milk and them something there. I have to use honey do this, honey do that. Everything I honey mix this. Everything, no sugar, no this, no that. In cut out one whole heap of something. One bottle of oil serve me like can't serve me for a year. Because you know want a whole heap of oil in her food. Gracey chew up her oil in her, sitting them and fry up her, season them like how Jamaican normally cook. Me not do that. So that's why the food might have a different taste.
Well, we want the Jamaican taste. We don't want no American taste.
Yeah, it's not American taste, it's health taste. It don't have nothing to do with American. So my callaloo nyam bad. No hear she had this me? Here there. Callaloo nyam bad. No sir.
Nyam bad food you cook. So that's why I say it not taste good.
Gracey, what else me cook when nyam bad? Callaloo alone Gracey can't talk about. Only the callaloo. Because I should come over me Adam to get the callaloo and the callaloo never taste good. Yeah there. And the curry goat she has said me can't cook. She must taste my curry goat one time. I don't even know. She feel like me can't cook curry goat. Yeah there. Me a cook a whole heap. Me da cook a whole heap of curry goat and me have to stretch it.
My girl, when mommy was alive, you know, and we come on to Christmas and I cook curry goat and pot roast pork and my sister then cooking up. When mommy a come find out.
It's alright, Gracey. We are going to cook the goat. We are going to cook the goat. Why? I can't. No, my goat and my curry goat. Gracey. My curry. Oh my God, my curry goat and my curry goat. She said my curry goat and my callaloo. A whole heap of things I can't cook where you can't cook. Sir, drive about.
Alright, Donna, later.
Alright, Mama.